Scan documents or photos from your HP printer to your iPhone, iPad, or Android device using the HP Smart app. Install HP Smart on your device from the App or Play Store, and then add your printer to HP Smart. On your printer, load the document or photo to scan on the scanner glass, using the guides for correct placement. If you are scanning multiple documents, load them into the automatic document feeder if your printer is equipped with one. On your device, open HP Smart. If you have multiple printers added to HP Smart, select the printer where you loaded the document. Tap your Scan option. If prompted, tap Allow to enable access to your device. On iPhones or iPads, tap Scanner to set the printer as the scan source. Tap the gear or settings icon, adjust any desired scan settings, and then tap Close or tap outside the settings window. Tap the preview icon to scan the image. If desired, drag the blue dots to adjust the borders of the scan, and then tap Scan or the blue Shutter button. To scan any additional pages, tap the Additional Pages icon. With all pages scanned, you can rename your scan, save, print, and share it through HP Smart.
Before heading ahead into the video, in case you are facing any issue with your HP printer device, get in touch with our HP printer expert. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to smash that like button and hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of our videos, and in the case face any problem, get in touch with the experts.